Mr. Incredible, what's up?
You're gay.
Bitch.
Sorry,
No,
baby.
I'm sorry.
Damn, how did you know? Bitch, you ugly as fuck. Your fade nasty as hell. Bitch, you look like an ogre. Bitch, you look like a Shrek hoe. You're ugly. Your skin is dry. Bitch, you look like a blobfish. Like you talking about. Bitch, you look nasty as fuck. Don't nobody want to fuck you.
Like the
Bitch.
son of Prince and Andre 3000.
I had to look them up. Y'all think I could be their son? Be for real.
You look like an anorexic Cat Williams.
There ain't fucking funny, Tammy. Don't start laughing.
You ate a little bit, but you ain't really eat that up.
I did eat that because I eat a lot of shit because I'm fat.
I know, bitch. Your throat is telling it all. You got a Big Mac with double Mac sauce in that bitch.
Me get a number 2 with some Mac sauce.
A double Whopper.
Child. Anyway, so.
Bitch, I lied. Bad as fuck. What's up?
How you doing? You a streamer? Type shit. Tell me up.
Where you from?
New Orleans.
Oh, you from New Orleans.
You?
Okay. I'm from Dallas.
Stop the cap.
What I got out there?
I moved from here. I'm not there right now.
Where you be at now?
In Ohio.
But that shit seems like boring. I don't know.
It is boring.
So what you do in your free time to make that shit better than?
OnlyFans.
Why y'all got to lie? I just hit an Ariana Grande note, bitch.
For real? How old you at?
21.
Type shit. You be making bank for that?
Mm-hmm.
Boy, if you don't.
Type shit.
Yeah.
What else you do? If you ain't doing OnlyFans, what you doing?
I do social media too. Here, go at me. Take a screenshot.
I'm a bad little bitch and I'm snipped like a Barbie.
5-star blue? So you a 5-star girl?
Yeah, 5-star pussy.
Hey, yo, what the fuck?
Anyway, so.
She's the one. She's the one.
Are you a man? Like honestly, are you a man?
That's actually an interesting question. You actually won't believe me, but I'm gonna tell you anyways.
Oh, you fucking our bitch. A shrimp ass big hoe. Wanna see? Yeah, let me see. I ain't see shit. A little tiny itty bitty shrimp. Get the fuck off my motherfucking page with that shit. Ooh, my bob is not bobbing.
What's your name, POB? So they calling you Bob?
Oh, my bobbing not bobbing.
What?
What?
That's not cute.
It's bobbing for real.
Bitch, you not cute.
Bitch, you not cute, hoe.
You really thought you ate? Give me that fucking plate.
You big black ass bitch.
Excuse me?
Who cut that shit?
Real
Dora
shit.
looking ass.
Why he got you fucked up? Oh yeah, Blue, that's how you feel?
Mm-hmm.
What you listening to?
I'm listening to I Was Born by the River. I was shaking that ass, bend it over, pop it pussy.
Okay.
Period. Mm-hmm. You know.
Okay, how old you with? You kind of cute though.
Oh, I'm kinda.
Nah, you cute though. I ain't gonna care.
What's up?
What's up, nigga? You know I gotta address all my black people accordingly.
As you should. Where you from?
My mother's womb.
Just answer the question, okay? Please don't play with me right now. Just, no, that's it. Please. Let's not, please.
Where you was raised?
At my mama house.
Where you live?
At my mama house.
Okay.
Period. You be rapping?
Nah, I make beats.
Oh, you gotta make some beats for me. I'm a rapper. Hey, we don't fuck with you. Who the fuck is you? Rolling through the city with my fucking crew. We be geeked up.
Okay.
Yeah, we teed up. I be with the downtown. Yeah, we teed up. Hey, bitch, I only smoke some big packs. Yeah, I don't fuck with y'all lame hoe rap. Hey, you can
Yeah,
hang with the gang, boo boo. Hey, I just hit
yeah,
it on you, that's boo boo. Hey, bitch.
yeah,
Hey, bitch. Hey, bitch.
bitch,
Hey, bitch. Hey, bitch.
bitch,
Hey, bitch. Hey, bitch. Who the fuck?
bitch.
Who? Hey, running through the city, ho. Yeah.
Mm.
Bitch, I got my titties, ho. Period.
Hey,
Oh,
you did the best.
oh,
You did the
oh,
best. You did the
oh,
best.
oh, period. Okay.
You did your best.
Yeah.
It was good. It was good.
Period. Yeah, period. Do what I do. Like you saying.
Oh my god, how old are you?
21.
Times two?
21. Times two. What the fuck is you trying to say?
He's playing. He said -2.
That's weird.
How you hear
Oh,
times two? You
I
get
thought you said my times. I was gonna say what?
Bro, put your face back in the camera. I liked it that way.
Oh shit. Okay, give me a second. I'm texting. How old is you? All?
19.
He's smiling and smirking like
I'm,
y'all finna lie bad as fuck.
it's because I'm 19. They're different ages.
Okay,
I'm
so
18.
18, 19. He 32 in the back, and what's him 40?
Yo,
32? Him? Yo.
I'm just playing. I'm just playing. I'm just playing.
32?
Okay, I gotta go.
I got a question. Are you a man?
Yeah.
Yes! Yes, Gaga, you look so good.
What up, boo?
What's up, AJ? What you doing?
I'm chilling. Why you talking like that for?
I talk like this. This how I talk. What you talk about?
That's how you talk. Where you
How
from?
I'm from the Midwest.
Bro, why is you talking like that, bro?
You like my voice? It's turn you on.
Talking like what?
Hey, yo, hold up. You talking about Brighton so sexy. What's going on?
What's going on? You trying to analyze the bitch?
I'm a bad little bitch and I'm snipped like a Barbie. Hips, lips, ass in a cardi. I'm his favorite motherfucker. Hello, motherfucker.
You gay, you should be real. Who you
Yeah,
been?
yeah, I like niggas.
Huh?
I like niggas.
You a girl. You a nigga. I'm just asking.
I just said yes. Like what?
So you a transgender type
I'm a
shit.
transformer. Or
Nigga! Bodoh lah.
wait, nigga, bitch. Hold on. Get the fuck off my motherfucking phone, bitch.
Oh my goodness. I just want to say one thing only.
I'm a
You were a
man.
very fine individual. No, don't be a fucking man, nigga. Don't be a man. I swear to God, I'll slap you with a 320 compact pistol.
Wait,
You think I'm playing? I really get active.
you gonna get active on me?
I'm gonna get active if you's a dude. I swear to God.
Why
I
would
swear to
you?
God.
Why?
I swear to God. I swear to God. I swear to God,
Oh,
bitch.
now we gotta go?
Don't you fucking play with me, you fucking man.
Now what you gonna shoot
You
me
should
for?
you should never carry yourself like this. You should never carry yourself like this. I swear. Like that is not your real hair.
It's not. I got hair up under here that's long. I just
No,
didn't feel like.
okay. No, no, no.
Okay.
How
My
you
bitch
go?
got real
How
hair.
you go from telling a bitch pretty, then a bitch got a and she bald headed as fucking got no hair?
Okay, you look good, but like like you're a nigga, bro. Like why, bro? Like you're doing your shit, but like you catfished me. You fucking did me dirty, bro.
You just
You
said
did
you
me
you
dirty.
just
Fuck
said
all of that
you
shit.
just said you got a bitch though, so it don't matter.
I don't care.
Ooh.
You a cheater?
Ain't none of these hoes mine.
Oh, just like that.
She's a hoe, so I hit that bitch doggy style.
Oh
She said
shit.
put it in her ass. Damn, little mama,
You really be fucking in the ass?
spot an evergreen. I be eating dudes, for real. But not dudes. Fuck you. Get out of my phone. For a matter of fact, I'm about to skip you. You fucking ass quick ass nigga. Get out. I'm a bitch.